My people, una welcome back to my channel. This channel now here we dey talk about tori when it dey happen for social media. We dey post videos and everything. So if you know say you enjoy our video, please subscribe now. Subscribe to my channel and on the notification bell, and make sure you like my video. Give me a thumbs up. I beg you, give me a thumbs up. Subscribe, please. I am begging you, please. It will not take anything from you. Just subscribe. Thank you so much. I appreciate every one of you who has supported me so far. Thank you so much. Thank you so much. Thank you so much. Subscribe.
Nika, amazing lovers, thank you so much. I been not promised to come out this evening, but what the person go do now, because they say when fire just they enter bush, you need to follow and may you offer. You know, offer for them. If you even pass your bush self, you could go enter another one. And again, if you did social media or you did alive for 2020, everything will happen. I'm very sure you no go want me repeat itself again. And the thing they go to now this month of March last year, now they start to demand, where they start to leak paper. People no quit know. Say somebody not don't lose for yet. Say somebody don't they lie. Somebody don't buy evil. Somebody don't they do bad things. Nobody quit know. Before you know, they do the thing guru with the spiritual power where they get. Okay, evil dark power where they get, where their heart stay strong like stone. They don't turn the thing. They don't turn them. Not be today they don't they turn and they come. Okay, it don't tell that they turn them. If they do bad finish, they go turn another person head put. Okay, my people, I'm very sure. I know they even first for any of una for this Facebook, because number one, una hatred not let una listen to waiting I be the talk. Maybe una for not fall a victim. Then another one again, out of hatred, some people just fall inside, may one die. Then another one again, some people out of stinginess of waiting they want say or waiting they want do what they feel say na me the so yeah more join one at least we even hear the half confession self more fair key the Monica the other one na a bond don't make it on the or maybe they will just use one leg come that one for road. Okay, you know go good say I'll still sit down, I'll still see say they don't still the plan another one. I don't know whether many of una with their Facebook una get strength to tell they do the same thing, but you see me so, me Monica, the only one the same thing where I sabi shop where not they tire me, now be Osmas. You understand? Any suffer will come with Osmas, any strength will come with Osmas. You know they tire me. They happy to the count year 1, year 2, year 3, year 4, year 20, year 21, 22, 23. I now lay down. But you see another thing where they happen for this life. I know they like to take them again. If Fred put one finger for my eye the last year, I not go vex. But if I sit down again, make another person or another thing or that same finger may enter my eye again. You understand me so? I know they agree. I know they fit take one rubbish 2 times. So everything will happen to me. They always take and say, na experience so. Otherwise, I know you see they advise human being they go. Because my work now advice I know what my last check up. So if I know experience all these things, which one I want to give experience, they give advice. But I know if you experience them 2 times. If some of una did this social media where be say una like to do the same thing again and again, they might like that's why I'll be leader. One way you don't pass, you just move ahead. My people, for quite some time now, I not be taken serious until this one again, where they come, somebody come break to me. On money, why? Yeah, okay. So I can't still say and say, hey, it don't still reach man show. They don't go as the way they go. They don't still go make new friends that they make. They don't use see and say they not feel use the friends as they use Monica for 10 years. Those one get sense. They don't catch them for lie. They don't catch them for thief. They don't catch them for wayo. They don't catch them for manipulation. They don't catch them for pretending. They don't catch them for evil friend. They don't catch and say they use two people head. It goes go record this one, record that one. So family they don't see your own head for inside. They don't catch and now. That one don't scatter. Now everybody don't know. Say Monica hand not there for anybody will not better for life. No. Man, not there. If anybody there, social media not better for the person. Man, not there. If anybody there, enough if he buy enough he say, my hand not there. If anybody there, he life not better for this Europe where he come. My hand not there. I'm very sure many of you don't know now. Say all thing na allegation against Monica, but he are not the vessel now because una too una be victim. Thank God say una wise pass me. Una not stay. It say something there inside. No. The moment you see say una no dey do mumu follow he go lie against una. Na so we be not be my body for starting. You see, I no still down for my body. He still carry and reach on my body. We are the victim association. You understand? So, don't still follow now 1 year, but mama, other even Google it, no, don't worry. Yeah, Google it. No. Thank God say, una ba una say, una guessing, na konta una say. Amanya wa ya mwegbe hwa. Very good. My people, another one want start again. But as una see me so, o what on egbe na ohonwa. Eije, o what there. O what on an area remote control. Ya press say edionwa. Atu na see my gayoyo. That's why now 50 years. Does it look like that? I don't get edionwa. I don't get edionwa. You understand? So, and I don't get my way. You go say, can't tell them like this. They go, You understand? So, now husband has where my waist reach ground, where I suffer with the build ourselves, they go, jekele, not be husband has not be husband as where woman they cover up for husband to no me not get that one. Husband where me and my husband we they try to move, they progress. I don't get husband where now woman they cover up for man. No that can't tell they be. I don't want if now woman they cover up for you can't be like money, you make but only okay. So my lovely people, I don't know whether na January or been a February. I don't know when Chula, okay, do apology and all those type of things. Inside the video, I confess to here where they share and they go say, Chula, don't go come back now from evil gang where you go. Now you can't talk say, if you see what he happen to her there, he might not fit talk everything. And may come out to may come talk everything. We see for that evil gang. What they use the eye to see. If you no talk, what it go happen to her, it no go dey nice at all. To me, when I see my back of her, front of her, I don't get evil gang where I put Chula. I know even get one day where I take Chula. Say Chula, oh come and join me. Let's come and be. Oh, one no master. Before you call person say, come join me. More gather keep meet. that meat must be very gigantic. No be let me see akon. You know all those meat where they go for teeth. Where you do like it. Now that one they still you don't even see small picking one day. As small picking rich where they ever say, Mommy, mighty. No, he go tell you say toothpick, he go tell by itself because meat where they teeth, it is too small to follow person share or to come on for teeth. Take tick, chicken. Many people say, "I no man say na gbe." Esa fiyan person wey no reach me to do anything. But I want to gather the whole world. No, I can't follow me fight. For what? Only say, I must say. So I check my heart. I don't see place where I for write letter to Chula. Say, Chula, come join me. Or I can't get one group, or one gang, or one camp. Where I can say, oh yeah, una way join me, oh yeah, enter this camp, oh yeah, get this group, oh yeah, fire down. I don't get one audio where they make to people. So yeah, fire down, take this. You know this. So when he talk that one, I don't mind. Okay? Then again, whether na weekend, Ivie Rio, Princess Ivie Rio, na know the Africa Jama Queen, whatever, talk show. Okay? I don't feel enraged. Where most of una go, they say Mrs. Lawa, Monate, the well popular name. Okay. Oviere can still do video. In that video, I don't even know what he they talk about self. Eh? I don't even know what Ivie Rio really they talk about 100%. To me, I just feel say he make video about your family problem. You understand? Thank God. Okay. You understand? I feel say he make video about your family problem and problem with Ivie sister. Because to me, Ivie Erio and Ivie Nivi, they be sister. If you like, they come fight for our side. You don't concern me. All I know say they be sister. You understand me? So, so I don't block her. So I see say the woman there emotional for the video. He talk about a family. He talk about Ivie, Nivie. He talk about he advise other people. I don't see particular place where he talk to me. He say no join people fight. And he talk about a family. How he no be first speaking. He can't take over, can't be first speaking. He can't feel my do. He digwene melu agbe oma. Me mami ke nona fit tangu mebeba. Because that's if I get group where I register them put, I can't hear say I don't decamp oh, I not be slave trade though. I'll say na me they talk to. I don't get group where I register them. I don't get audio where I take recruit them. Say you come stand for front gate, you come there for back gate, you come. No, the matter was open matter for this social media. Monica lovers today. They are from the heart. Mrs. said there, you there here. Since when this matter happened, you don't ever see I can't carry phone. Tell you say, oh, my lady, they said in Ujena, don't they beside the mommy. Have you ever seen me? You even the comment, I go greet you. You ever see me say, I can't come? No, I don't be manipulator because people where they follow me is from the heart. People that love the truth. I brag bien. Or pretend now those people me gets. You understand? So my people, before you know again, he just carry what did they call him? what is they call her? Mrs. Vie Rio video. You just still carry on, we don't they analyze them again. You see the video, and this one don't still decamp. I don't know who be the third person. He say not the third person be there. I don't know who be the second person. I only know say he say Shula decamp from our camp. One of the listening. Then second person, I not can know who be that one. Then the third person can be Ivie Rio, don't also decamp from our camp. And we are jobbing with it. You understand? So it don't still decamp from our camp, and now so all of them go they decamp. Now so the evil group, my people, me I tell you now, I know say this person we are they talk about so, as all of una know are rich, none of una know are like me. Oh God, I know I die. If I tell you say now like this, believe me. Many of una today, everything where I talk pass. You see the way all of them take fall in. Because I know where I know this video so where it can still do. So my people, you know what if they use and say do now? Una know say like 1 month or 2 months ago, January, or to come to wait for their own camp because now they really get camp. Now they really get group. Monica lovers. Do I have group that is for Monica lovers? Say this group, now me they put people. Do I have more not true? I don't have more for no delay. May they go fast. Okay? Do I have group where be say now me they have people, now me be admit for them? I no get. GPC, listen to the name and tell me where Monica name there for there. Gallant and peaceful commenters. Do you see Monica name there? No. They are group of peaceful commenters. When people are peaceful, they are honest. You can't manipulate them. That's why they're not there your side. You know me say there be Monica group. They love my way. I love their way. They themselves, they not be your Betty. They not they push me for trouble. They not be they're part of those where the time where they bring paper, juju paper. When something happened to her, my people, more than they listen to me, oh, na me know her. Because video now when getting me water because I don't want any of my lover tomorrow. Monica, when they come, they draw me. They go, Monica, because he a water now explain no mama what mana damn yo. He like you with better because when you not see it, me wa buni wowa. Iwe Monique baoge, iwe kinido, iwe me mana boni tiebe. Ni go solve the problem. So yet it doit repeated be make bava. I moment la diane. Ina time wa we geve no jeo. Wori even no ya lele hian. Ora kon we Monica ma. Oh, emi no go be me. Wetin is sabi for my body. Wo na fi say na me no go. E no reach for all of una body. E no record 2 sisters. E no be try me put wahala for family. He no blackmail una, despite so na be a friend, una even fight for her. I think una say me no good, okay. What he do, na they different from what he do me. Erio we here. I'm not the first too. I wasn't the first. Erio kare we my Erio ye we here. Because agbon orario boy emi o mana ma owo si. Bon isun o pe no isun Erio wa we de. Erio we de. So, my people, more than not forget, say, when the consti, na she the fair give paper, juju paper for this social media. A gang Ghana people can say na AliExpress. Na AliExpress. Ireva. If you even go back, you go look the video, you go even see, say, I was still a very good, kind human being. Not be say, only for friend. Good human being. I still come and do video. If I were you, I will tell this woman, sorry, oh, because you know that this thing you are saying is a lie. They're not here, oh. They have a Google. I have a Google the, what you can't give them. A Google tap, right? Area one, no. When you finish for a hand, go carry the way better. Pure. Go use and take gum you. Bye. Aha. Now there you go. Come no say ye. Area one, no. God. How? So, when they give her juju paper, they give her 2 weeks, Sabina 3 weeks. He said na AliExpress. Iyama woo. Now they go swear yana mugbe. Again, mugbe, my people. Una see say she get rest again. They start to do like this. They look for where he must reach another person body. He almost to sobe Monica. Almost to sobe Monica. Ana miege igwe. Eti fatak parak pa ojak monje ni ole buruku no fio boy de kiage ya gbegbe wa. Ana miege ala luwe no mama no digwe la luwo wo han na ho me recording. No, they carry on. Oh yeah, carry on, go ahead. Go give her. Hey, one. Una remember, because they no ni sanga mia. E no ho mia. Okay? After that, this evil group where you they call them so, evil camp. My lovers will not get group, will not get can. No one way I they control. Stand for here. No enter. I block you. I come out you for here. Monica lovers, do we have Monica lovers? Do I have WhatsApp group? Do I have WhatsApp group where I put you now? Okay. No, I don't get WhatsApp group where I put anybody. I never see time to receive people where they do something for. The time in the army, do you control you? I'm not a control freak. I said tell now. Now she be control free. If she can't control you anymore, you are done. She cannot make friends with somebody she cannot control. She must be in control. She must control man. She must control woman. She must control. If she cannot control you, but the smallest baby in her hand, she cannot control. But if she cannot control you, oh, we are what woo. And when me, I was done. And I was clear. I don't want that control again. I move on. I don't want control from my fellow woman again. I don't want. Okay. My people, that same group and gang, where they always call, say, this one don't decamp. The other one don't come out. I don't get WhatsApp group. I don't get any Facebook group where be Monica say na me they put people. GPC na peaceful and gallant commenter group of fake accounts women that love to express themselves. And many of that fake accounts also now people will give me love and like for years. She go carry them. She go carry them. She go bully them. She can't do nothing apart from bully. No, rien mais not here bully. Because you wa le la dia ou dia wa le la go we go. You understand me so? Bully. She no fit just sit down, construct a topic without not be waiting. You see for if you do video, go say, see this one. Now from there, it go come get topic. If another one do, it go say, local woman, see this one. Now there, it go collect. Maybe now we go along. I no fit. I also free they do my own. Okay, my people. That same people, when Ojuju pay Parisha hand when she start to dey look for AliExpress, so must come to me. Now AliExpress, so now come to me. Because person, if you do person something, you tell the person, say, I bear no verse. You supposed to finish. Ala luere, high blood thief, attack. Attack barakba. Oja bonje ini, higher killer. When you do person something, normal Bini person, normal Ishan person where Igbo never spoil the head. Normal woman where they flex, never use money take key. When woman where they use to they do Arabo for Austria. Don't say you money where Arabo they do one. Or money where put for Toto, you can say, swear, make you not drink. Attack barakba no, you not go ever stop drinking. Now we are there, we are drinking banana wade. Normal. Say attack barakba, no be normal human being. Otherwise, if you do normal human being something, you say, Baba I beg, sorry, no verse. I beg. Now I tell you, it go finish. Because attack barakba now group of men where women where they fuck up and down like daughter, like mother. When they know that the country where the other one there fucky. The country where the other one there okay? That's why, like me now, you know if you do my husband something, me I can remote and say no green. Lie. You not go hear me. I say mind, go do the one where they mind. If not to punish you, neither they mind. If not to forgive you, I cannot influence him. But you see all these men, where women they support, where women go buy something for themselves, come put on for himself. Oh, see what my husband do for me. How? Men, I don't fit tell now. Now remote control, yeah. Boah! Now attack barak te do, boom. Attack barak ne non kwa be do. O toke ka ene be do, ona ye bona ri ario wi me. O toke ka attack barak ene be do. Okay, my people, now you can't do one. Make it still make sure say AliExpress ayela la paper come. Hey, now one area wa jebe dag mo. Another one now where is still the plan this 2021 where me money cannot go get hand put and any of my lovers where I like it, where look, where make sure say it's sweet time. Where say second yo etana. Okay? If you can do video. As if you do video. Hello?
Hello, my people. Now, I don't know. I greet the house. So, the story when I carry on today now between Lady Monica and her best friend, her ex-best friend. That meaning Lady Lolo Anu Ajose. You know, say of recent, Ivie Erio, Mama Mila Akim, and Ivie Nivie no swag. They get fight of recent since a week ago. So when the fight happened, Ivie Erio insult Ivie. Why Ivie no swag insult Ivie Erio? So they call they insult each other. So Ivie no swag call insult Ivie Erio mother, dead mother and everything. So the saga got too much. She got the hot. Everything could happen. So as everywhere the hot, Lady Monica not come out call talk at that moment. So when she can't know about the matter, which according to the video when Lady Monica make, say she don't even know what the happen between them. Say he just come to her notice, say the three of them, they quarrel, and she like three of them, and three of them like her. So she no go sit down, say she not talk for the matter. So Lady Monica come, he called do video for concerning the three of them, because the matter don't too much. People because they thought say three people with they support Lady Monica, they fight their self. You understand? They fight their self because even if they insult Lady Erio mother, dead mother. That thing pain Lady Erio, and Lady Erio, she is sort even. You understand? You know, say this they are social media. When two people they fight, they anything where they are mad, now they say they curse each other. We know say today curse mama and papa is not good, but not be today they start to the do for the social media. They do to their safe. You understand? So now Ivie Erio and Ivie Amila Akim, they do body. So Ivie and Ivie Erio, now I call go well because now there are two fights they are safe well. So Lady Monica come out, beg them. Say, may they let the matter go. May Ivie Erio forgive Ivie. May Ivie forgive Ivie Erio. You understand? With the two of them, Ivie Erio. One na Ivie Norman Swag, a.k.a. While one na Ivie Erio, a.k.a. Lawa. You understand? So Monica beg three of them. May they let the matter go. She on live video, she talk about the matter. Say, enough come at cause support Ivie Erio Lawa or cause support Ivie Nivie Norman Swag or Mila King. But in go only beg three of them because three of the lover and he love them. He no one support one side. So Monica do live video, beg them. May they let the matter go. Say I beg. She really pleaded according to the video I watched. That was last week. So when she begged her, Ivie Erio come and say, okay, he no they require with anybody. Say, but he no join anybody again. She won't day on her own. Because say she won't day on her own. That was day before yesterday. She called do video. Say she won't day on her own from now. She no want day any support anybody. She no want do anything. She won't day on her own. So everybody understand. Even Lady Monica, when she love, that one understand. That one call let her be, let everything go. So everybody call relax for the matter. You understand? So today now, Lolo come out, call they analyze that same matter we happen between Ivie Nivie and Ivie Erio. You understand? So when she they analyze her, he called the talk say Monica gang, blah blah blah, many things when Lady Lolo talk. So the thing cause problem. Now Lady Monica come out now with this video called address Lolo. He say why Lolo go dey address topic wey be say she herself, her followers don't focus Ivie Erio mama. Why she not come up? Why Lolo not come out then? Call talk say wetin her fans do no good. No talk of this one wey be say they not be her fans. They all be people wey love her and he love them. For social media, they be presenters when they talk truth for social media. You say why Lolo happen when they insult Ivie Erio the same mother? Why Lolo not come out come address the issue? Why I can't be saying now when the three of them they quarrel? Now Lolo won't come address the insult where Ivie Nivie give Ivie Lawa mama. So now Monica come out now cause they address the issue. Say may they no mind her. Now another thing she want to pass come now according to Monica. So my people are not going to talk for this issue. Mona listen to waiting on Lady Monica talk. Mona te know what happen. Okay, thank you guys for watching and God bless you. See you guys later. Please don't forget to subscribe. Thank you.
Okay, that's why, like me now, you know if you do my husband something, me I can remote and say no green, lie. You not go hear me. I say mind go do the one way they mind. If not to punish you, now they mind. If not to forgive you, I cannot influence him. But you see all these men where women they support, where women go buy something for themselves, come put on for himself. Oh, see what my husband do for me. How? Men, I don't fit tell now. Now remote control ya boah. Na attack parak pate do attack parak pane non kwa be do o toke ka eme be do ona ye bona ri ario gwime o toke ka attack parak pa eme be do. Okay my people, now I can't do make it still make sure say AliExpress ayela la paper come na one area wa jebe dagmo another one now where is still the plan this 2021 where me Monica no go get hand put and any of my lovers where allow it where look where make sure say is sweet time where say sekene yo etana okay if you can do video as if you do video hello Okay. You they understand me so, my lovely people. What did they call her bear wait? If you can't do video where do you know even long. Because if you put the music back and front together, you not reach anywhere. Okay, thank you. If you see the video where if you do the music where they the front and the music where they the back, the video not even long to listen to. Now you can carry that video, you can they analyze them. Una eye don't they open now. Una don't they come for the evil group where they put una. Now one by one, now so na go the camp. Now so na go the una no wait system where they try to do so. Una no say the group where you saying they gather since last year or Zaga Yorubo. Cause I am only I cook a group. When Yag no get character. Now so 6 months or 1 year, now meeting the rich askata. You understand? When leader not get character, when leader now be devil, now leader go record everybody, now go screenshot everybody, now go connect they say leader they ungrateful, leader not they ever appreciate, and leader lazy. Yeah, they always die for people thing. Leader want free thing. If you buy for yourself, buy me one. The day where you not buy for them, you don't become evil for inside heart. Because you buy for yourself, you not buy for them. Now you carry the video. Now you start to analyze them in the sense of say, you see this group, they don't still they fall apart. I bet my lovers, I'm saying it openly because when I see that they send the Ivier yo come for me. I can't call Shula. Shula, you there alive. Okay? I not be recorder, but she there alive. She can use her mouth if I lie on her. Now I call Shula, my darling Shula, because you there more where she can't as one. Where break away from evil group. I don't really know where and which time person use my name to go open evil group, come put on for inside. You understand? If it be for this social media, people they use my name where I don't know where person for use my name open group, he can't put all of una for inside. The person can't they direct una up and down. The person can't they tell una how now they do evil. What una go they do? Now the person Shula tell me say no, nothing like that happen. The time when she also they talk for the matter. She not talk for the matter because she joined my group or she did my group or she did my side. She only also they talk for the matter as she know reach by herself. At a time she did by herself decide say I not go even talk for the matter again. Make I just say sorry to everyone. May I do my own. I say now you do. Don't be saying you can't do video, you can't talk, say you don't come on for a group where Monica puts you or group. Now you say no, nothing like group. You not join any group, you not there any group. I don't even know. You say whether GPC you not there. In your day outside, the side where you believe say now they talk true. Now you still they talk about. I ask her, you get any day where I call you? I can't tell you say, oh yeah, Ochula, I can't fire down. He said no, ma. My people, one, I can't leave Shula because I don't know who he said be the second person. I forgot you the second person too. I can't call Princess Ivierio. I can't say my lady, no verse. That I never even watch a video. Now say no verse. You get video where they say you do, where bad deads. Uno zago too. Alrighty, I'll get one. If you don't swear in your head, you go say, I must use a swear person, yo. I must use a swear person, yo. I will not go down alone. Me. Who are gonna feel boy? A fly, no? I am no Japan. Iga uho. Ina bere ma yoto we social media. Ina yeva so ina yare pisho ina. If I do the bad, now evil go overcome me. But if I not do evil for this social media, evil can never overcome me. Anyone that will try evil against me, it will go down to 6 feet. So now I can call Princess Vie Erio. Now say, good evening, my lady. No vessel. Video where you do that they analyze and say you too, you don't come on for evil gang, your eye don't open. Oh, come. Now, my lady, which time person use my name? Because me, Monica, no say, I don't get any gang, I don't get group, I don't get WhatsApp, I don't call nobody. But I don't know whether other people, they will love me, where they do. Now, I can say, my lady, I beg, which group person use my name? They had una, they direct una, they talk to una. Then say, which group? I say, person they analyze, say, your eye don't open. You don't come on for the group. You don't also lelemina. They say, she? Which video? Video where she do? A personal family thing. She and her sister, Ivie. Which other thing? I watch the video now. Say no verse. I don't watch the video apart from the one where she they analyze. Like say now, so you take up. Now the woman said the video not even long. I better go watch and come back to me. Now go watch the video. Really, it's not long. As I watch the video, I don't see anywhere where that woman refer to me or refer to any group where be my own. I don't see. I don't see where if you refer to me. I don't go fit do mini. I know they look somebody video, can't go look for my own topic. No. It don't concern me. If you even talk to me, it's as far as you don't come to my face, you know it's not my business. Because we run social media, a business in error. You understand me, so my lovely people? Okay. Okay. So I be the look person comment, not comment again. Okay. You understand me, so my lovely people? Where is the drive to and where is they try to do now again? You don't scatter. The one where he really form, he don't scatter. The one where he use light take gather, he don't scatter. The one where he betray his friend for take gather, he don't scatter. The one where he record people for, he don't scatter. As he bio they rich. Tell them say, Mona come I get comfort. At the end of the day, give them stone. He don't scatter. The one way he lie to the whole world. He pretend a mask. He don't fall down. Boom! People don't catch him. Now he want follow here. Come they do like say, my own also they go down. You see, people still they decamp for here. For una information, my lovely people, I don't have group. If una believe say Lady Princess Vie Erio do video say I take talking. I'm not don't support anybody. She be this woman where the UK. She be that one still do video talk say Mona not support anybody. I believe say we get sense. We know what they talk about. Because we be the truth teller. We know they use poto water to miss white water. We not go see white color black. From day one, we stand firm. We will continue to stand firm. When we see the truth, we support the truth because we will never regret it. Okay? So, if all those people, they sing, they go, don't support anybody. They are right. Don't support evil. Don't support a liar. Don't support evil person. Somebody that can betray a friend for nothing. Somebody that can destroy without no remorse. Somebody when not they remember waiting past. say, this one a pikin. Somebody wey go don dey range, e go be like fire just to take hide her evil. Mona not really dey support them. If na me, Monica, na it be like that, don't support me. Hello, good evening.
Hello?
Hello, good evening, my lady.
Hello, my sister, Monica. Monica, Lobo, shine your shine.
A new TAJ, young woman.
I dey see one useless comment from in it
I don't feel see and I be the thing. Anytime when me take coin, you don't already comment pass. Now people they reply her. No sir. Okay, my lady. Gasinya, eh? Okay, I'll look for her. You understand me, so my lovely people? Okay? Not true. If Ivierio say, don't support anybody, don't support evil, I believe that is what she's talking about. You understand? Who see good thing when not support, and that one not because now juju be there for that person head now. If you see good thing, support good thing. If you see evil, not support evil. No support devilish person, because you go receive tears, shame and disgrace. Baba God not be man. You can't fool Baba God. You can fool human being way full of hatred. If you see all the people where if you fool, now people way full of hatred before. No, anyone the day where I say sorry, we really accept, she not feel fool them. From there they start to see the evil. Now those we say, I don't go yeah sorry, deal with that, see it, but now those one then she feel fool for some time. Now she feel fool for some time. So my people, I will tell you, support good, you will never regret it. Support truth when you sense it, you will never regret it. Support justice when you see it, you will never regret it. Don't be tribalism. Don't hide truth. Don't hide honesty and say, now our own. You will regret it. Okay? My lovely people, God bless you now. Now that one can talk. Second jare no mure where this group they for that in a group. I'm aware no folly. Where's AJ? Hello, my lady. Obotaje Nogi.
You know, we that loves you, your lovers, we are not fool.
Okay.
She can fool others, but she can't fool us.
Never.
Why do I say this? Naomi video was out, she did not play it. You understand me? Everybody waited. That video caused a lot of commotion in this social media almost last month or this month. She never come out to explain her own self. Is it a real matter that she want to put on his head now, on her head now?
Because she always they look for evil. If you see her own, go hide down. Hey! If I not go in here.
If Rio did not play a video in a secret way, he played it in open ballot way, which every one of us saw it. Why is it now she want to analyze it?
I don't know.
Nothing. It's just evil. She can never change. And she can never win your lover's souls. We have loved you and we have loved you already. Let her go to places. She has gathered and she has faith.
Let her look for new victims. She keep on gather victim. I was a victim. The rest people were victims. People behind me were victims. Stephanie was a victim. All the people in Sitad was a victim. I'm not the only one.
She mind his business and me. Nobody is going there. Analyze her. When you cannot analyze your own group. When they were shitting everywhere. When the video is out, you did not analyze it for almost a month. It's the same person that is talking out and not save that puff to a mouth. But you are here not to analyze open ballot video. Not be Mumu be that.
Na Mumu be that. No make up yo. Every bude make up igwe baba. One love. You understand me, so my lovely people? They go hide their own. You see people when sabi hide their own. They blow other people. Oh, come on. Now God ain't go destroy their own. If not be say, I don't know as I want to talk this thing. See one woman video where it blow, come on, when the woman don't do a video, don't throw away, and it can't go blow. The time when they come, they look for waiting, they want to do that woman. You know, say now that a video they go bring come. Meanwhile, who do that video don't delete her. But the one where he do, where he for talk, say, if you do ya, wala wuria, when no bankele yeleka die, ona delete of ona yele. Hello J. Wama gwe wa makasa ni me. Ime wa gwo si eti mu me ko no view wa yakugbe. Eti mu me. Ko si yen gwe ore. Hello my lady.
Hello, Monica Lobolobo.
God.
What I want to say, you know, man, don't useless. If not, they be evil gang. They tell us this one I find what protected them.
Yes, so.
Don't just mind them. They be useless, but they don't go do anything. What they do before, what they do before, you know what's possible with this.
Thank you so much.
They don't know.
Thank you. Just imagine since when we start this live video, one method now some people they use in progress. From day one, if you talk to them, they'll go carry your picking. They still they don't want it today. If you talk to them, they go record you. They still they don't want it today. If you give them say, oh, let me get this fake account, they go use and bully you. Wait till save one Google typewriter. Now because that one was smart from the one, only we ma call it. Oh, bully. Hello. Good evening.
Hello, Mama. Good evening.
Good evening.
Yeah, I beg. I call you for. Yeah, good evening. I call you for a different issue, not be for program. For the program, I call you for. I get some little bit stress on my YouTube, so I don't know whether it gives me any idea.
What is the your YouTube?
Yeah, my YouTube is like it's the music I produce. I do music for music. So, what did happen to my YouTube? Yesterday, automatically, more than 2.6 million minutes view was reduced direct from my YouTube.
How did you get it before? How did you get it? Is it? Eh?
Yes, I get this normal. I get this normal because I have 3 channels. Okay? I have 3 channels, which before I started studying with lyric in YouTube.
Do they use people video? You they use people music?
No, the music I'm using as a DJ, I have a machine and the license of using a music older than
Okay, my brother, me I finish. I'll get back to you. I feel YouTube feel say you use fake to get those views. That's why you feel right to them. Say you know use fake. They feel say na fake. You take get those views. That's why when they go discover they go minus some.
No, nothing like that.
Okay. Let me finish. I will get back to you. Let me finish this one. I will get back. You understand me, so my lovely people. Google typewriter, only that one, all that white today, you forget and for a pan. Because no day when you go say, let me type and just call this woman. We first of all record it because you always know that something will happen. Because you know, say, avion one mommy we lost wa we for. And the one now was smarty, what makes sense. Why must stay 10 years even at the Monica? Hello. Me no na me stay 10 years. My advantage be say I know a person now.
See, you don't get any group. You don't get any group. We will be your lover. We see truth. When we see truth, you know where truth is. Truth not they are the safe. You understand? You don't get any lover. Before I start to call you, I feel call you 100 times today. Now me, when I start to call you, you don't depart for that. That's your friend. When they with her, I don't feel call you because I want
darkness, evil cloud cover me that time. Evil cloud, people go they just suddenly they don't phone sweet Monica. I like me Monica.
Since you come out, I feel call you 100
If you mash me, I not go do you. You beat me, I not go do you anything.
When you go take it to, I go they write you, Mommy Monica. Before I wake up, they'll come put right there for my Facebook. They'll come put right there because I say Mommy Monica. But the thing I call they imagine me now. That mommy they call they fine now. Like the thing we call they baffle me. When person they love person, he love you. If you not get love, you not fit give to another person.
No.
Person love from heart. All this your lover, we love you from our bottom of our heart. You not get any group. You not get any group. When you carry lawa video, they analyze. I just they look and say na so body be. This if now call you see mama tell poto for this social media. For the beginning. Now first start if people when you put for darkness, I first start mama if where they tell you just see bell, and they not just see bell.
Ireva. Iake plan ireva.
Now the amount to hear, and if you can see someone at that time, you call someone this will move war. You call someone say, "Oh, doing ya Now the best video you call the analyze. They became women so
because on me no, on me no gwa mine. Depression gi on je make up o se no when na depression na he on get mag bi wen.
But you just vomit rice. You will not say na vomit. Say na rice vomit.
Okay, na ya je make up bi be na to sen ye ke na we live video e no.
Then vomit rice so he go they tell you say na plantain vomit. Can you imagine? Only you want the same. We not be baby.
Okay.
We not be baby. All these tomato, all these people where they wash now. We not be baby. Me not take us like food. When I see that video where they say they analyze, I just say now some person they move. Now won't be this. Now won't be this. You want to tell us say you they sorry for if you la wanna. You want to tell us say now you want go pet and make her cry for your shoulder now. Can you imagine? Person when you stay drop poto for this.
He not dey remember. Oh man, no way. He not dey remember. Oh, he go just talk something now. Tomorrow he go just dey do another. You know see the way he lick all the old people where don't fair beat nyash. He lick their nyash. He not like them or later now. I think now yeah, don't still open say they be evil supporter, they be bad people, they no good, they press, they look for where they want to. But the time where they praise them, where they say, hey, Google people where come they call hey, Google type, right? That time go say, man, lady, working class lady with English, they're too more. Now we the richest town. Now, then you know, and over see me after today, he go or I will be analyze any body video. Mona John no say, obeson areku, oreku no.
If we see truth, we go fight for truth.
This lady where they Paris, night talking, say oreku. Eh no. Thank you, my lady. Hello? Go on. Let's see. You understand me so, my lovely people? Eh? I beg, my lovers. Now beg, now they beg una. Okay? If una no realize say something they wrong with her, me I know say something is wrong with her because normal human being way correct, you know they behave like her. People where don't fair call crayfish before. People where don't fair call a barrier. It go just give you name. And when they give you that name, yeah, not there so. But if they talk on today, you go man. Also, your money no way get do what? Oh man, akwabere or they do la lawyer. You see now the way you want go leak Princess Ivie she say me and Princess Ivie get problem. It is say maybe me and Princess Ivie we get wetin we dey do. That's why he can like to cause wahala for there, so they go sit down topic they see comment the topic they bring. One may buy or a call lay sometimes they be fake account where they comment against your this thing may take us fights. Make buy. Hello.
Hello, my lady. Good evening.
Good evening. I did life oh.
I know. Even for you, if I dey follow you, I don't get fake account. Now my real account I didn't follow you. Could you believe so? Because of all this, if I dey follow you, if I won't comment, they will say I dey interrupt. They will send me DM with many red head, but I never care. Even though say you not come out this evening, because we don't. God said I know my shepherd, so we will. You understand? To hell with whatsoever anybody want to think. To hell with she. You understand?
Thank you. Thank you, my lover. This is why I dey press off on now. That's why they appreciate you now. Not be because I need something from now. Because I really love truthful people. That's why they thank you now. I go press up on now. If not be say we are there, so it's too small. If what they will press up, you know what I want to say understand this thing. Say Monica, where bother?
So waiting be this one. Sometimes if I want comment, I don't feel comment.
Hey, you're right here. All right, cool. You man, I don't consider no advice and say no. They pick Monica or they do it la way share. Okay, on they be suing.
No need to just.
Hey, you man no one anywhere. Oh, garçon, everybody go to sleep. Go there. You follow everywhere. Who comment there? How many? But network is disturbing me. Okay, I should come and go, guys. Thank you so much, my lovely lover. Press up, press up, press up, press up, press up. You know why I do press up for now? Because now say Monica, la boy, I love you. Which judge video you do? I'm the you don't. I don't know who can stay a better. Say leave Monica video, he go kill you finish because my video go kill him. Because you not go see calamity where they make her they happy. If you see calamity, you see when you see Ivie and Ivie be the quarrel. Now you make her come out and go come laugh. And you waje. If you see quarrel, you go come see parent. Now that time go come become queen. If he shit happen, he go hide, he go they look for, oh, I carry this shit, oh, I go press this shit, somebody will eat this shit, somebody, oh, nah, mama, no, where no second, no, gênant, where you and your lover before. And he loved us before. More than no ever thing say, and they see some comment, I go say, Monica, if you talk, you go, say, hey. He love her way even believe her. He be like me now. I'll come there one day and I'll come to say, Holy Ghost don't enter here. Because say, Monica, I beg. No, forgive me. For example, for example, you say me. I go come to you. I go come crazy. Because, what it, the one wanna see for social media now small thing. You do well for things where they don't do for me. You know, say, when something don't happen to you, now you go recollect the things where be happen to the rest people where you no be can't. I be you know, no. When my own don't happen like this, now I go remember Stephanie. Oh, ew, mete with Stephanie on down. You may go with some. Ew, mete with Jeanne no. Ew, I walk a pastor. Ew, I walk with Jeroba. Ew, edit yo. Ew, nene. Now that time me go remember say see you mugu. Oh, why ya bag mo ya gbe? Osegbe no. The more you even take, you know guessing, the more you will die. Thank God, as I take, I get sense. As I take rich, I get sense. Because even when I am why. Okay, my lover, God will bless you now. Exactly. She go reap what she sow. It's none of my business. Okay, thank you so much, my lover. Please, after this one, if you still pick, you come after we don't dance finish now. You be rub a door cool, or a rubber, or a mule no keke. If you no keke, me no keke, and I'm here breaking news for evil. You don't go see breaking news, somebody don't win jackpot. Breaking news, person where picking die. Breaking news, person where marriage break. Breaking news, secret where no gets, where no good to bring comma. Breaking news, jeting. So I beg, I don't constantly know what you want to use this one, take break. Any way break, I'm gonna know, see. Me, Monica, Arabi, Hugbe, Ye Kamudai. Okay? Please, my lovers, please. I don't know who be even believing, yeah, analyzing. But I don't know what you be the expert. Person if he carry this magician and the way don't fair use man swear. Come and can't do like innocent. You wanna your man is where too. Go check yourself before you come pass on. You understand? Bye. Love you. So I call Princess Vierio. She say she not get group, she not dey gang. I not put her for anyone. As she see matter na the fair use and take reach body. In don't follow them also. If she decide to dey her own fix her problem, it's nobody business. So no put her for my head because why. If you now my sister, now like this will be for social media. All social media presenter way good, way stand for truth, now so we be. Social media presenter way see truth, he talk lie. Iye ke mamu daigbe because he said he go madam obo because he uragunya mobo na miebo jemo igwalo. Okay, so if you be social media truth teller, social media justice person, we are like this. Whether we talk every day, we don't talk every day. I don't watch your video once in a while. It doesn't matter. We are like this. But if you be injustice, you be tribalism, you see truth, you hide them because of hatred. Okay, bye. The battle is over. I have no chikoro. Kege. Should they analyze? Not put me there, cause I not get group. You say I they do group like you, groupy 90 you bought daji. Or bono to boy with zagawa guagara. Rubbish. If you not turn you to your husband way they do, sit down there, get up, do like this, do like that, do like this, do like this, laugh, open it, do your head. If you not turn you to like that, oh woman me, oni wa me oni wa me ne de yo bo noro. Iwe me a wetin a vino eju a no tame a wo ma mo Monica ki gbe me ona gbe me ye ki na ye vie ma ba gbe Monica na ye clear ona so a me ju woto ko anyam oma hia be control o hia be gbo bia e o ho no yo bo o ho no himi no o ho no me ho ne yo bo o no yo bo gbe we ni yo bo go for bibati rubbish.